If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Probably shouldn't be repeating myself because today I was actually really thinking about everyone's questions in regards to NIO and how they're going to respond to the price cuts. This actually wasn't a point of concern for me, as I've actually already addressed this topic in the past in actually January 5th, 2021. So what I want to do today is actually flash back to that video because my thought process has not changed at all. And so I actually look at things today the same way that I looked at them back then. And I've said this on the channel also in a recent video where I was just reacting to the CFO being on Bloomberg for an interview. So without further ado, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think. All that stuff really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Oh, and last thing here, remember that this was January 5th, 2021. So a lot of the information is from that time. But anyways, let's get into the video. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 7:39 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is currently down 0.54% for the day and down 0.26% in the after hours. So we've got a lot to cover about NIO today, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. But first things first, Tesla's Model Y recently went on sale for around $52,000. So I've talked about Tesla's price cuts before and how I felt like it wouldn't impair NIO at all, but recently there's been a lot of fear mongering around Tesla having that Model Y at $52,000. So of course the EC6 is coming in around $57,000, but if you're only looking at sticker prices, you've got the whole story wrong. Of course, NIO is a premium brand targeting consumers in the premium or luxury space, and don't get me wrong, I like Tesla, I like Elon Musk, I'm bullish on everything they're doing, and I might even invest in Tesla. I keep on saying that, but I just keep on buying NIO for some reason. But I make that point to say that a consumer in the premium space is willing to spend more money. Somebody who's going to buy, say, a Mercedes versus like an entry-level car, they're not really going to be penny pinching. There's a reason that people pay more for like brands like Mercedes. There's a reason that people pay more for Audis, BMWs. They want to pay more for a more luxurious ride. Next, there's battery as a service, which can drive the upfront cost of ownership down and obviously open NIO up to a little bit more of a broader market. People who weren't initially able to afford the car can now buy the car, lease the battery. We've talked about this a lot, so I'm not going to go too into depth on that. But I will say that by definition, Tesla is the market leader. The company selling the largest quantity of a particular type of product. That's the definition. There's no arguing that. I know that some people were going to comment down below and argue that Tesla is not the market leader. It's literally the definition. They're the market leader. But Tesla and NIO are well positioned for a ton of growth in the future, in my opinion. NIO has a good chance of ramping up and becoming the market leader. So William Li in an interview was asked how will he face the impact of the Model Y, and like a boss, he said that pretty much has nothing to do with him. So I'll run that clip real quickly.
那怎么看 Model Y 的这一轮冲击？
我们还这么被蹭流量吗？他发他的，跟我没有毛关系的。
首先我觉得天下任何一家电动车卖得好，我们都是高兴的。我们觉得接下来的10年，
太官方这个，
逐步渐入佳境。接下来的10年就是电动车不断取得燃油车份额的10年，只不过是暂时谁先一步后一步的问题，这是第一。第二个呢，我也不知道说未来退订的来源是什么。我们少数几个人知道订单的情况，可以负责的告诉大家，很稳定。 我们的订单还在增加。第3点有个常识性的问题，说未来的官网因为退订爆掉了。未来的官网和未来订单从来就没有1毛钱关系，但是我们祝贺任何一家取得好成绩的电动汽车。
太官方这个。
我太难了。
So in the back half of that clip, they address the rumors of people canceling NIO orders because of the price cuts on the Model Y. Fake news, completely false. They address that. President Lee Han-Quinn said, first of all, the few of us who know the truth can tell everyone that our orders are still increasing. So that's very contrary to what the narrative was out there. Another statement from NIO also stating that yes, NIO and Tesla are rivals, but they're also teammates. In 2021, they'll go further together. Like they said in the interview, pretty much anything electric is selling. The electric vehicle market is growing. If you get into that market and you're able to get a hold of customers, you're going to have success. At least as of now, in the short term, that's not to just say start a car company and you're going to have longevity. But good products in a growing market, of course, they're succeeding. So the real objective is not to go head to head with like a company like Tesla right now. The real objective is for automotive companies who are making electric vehicles to steal market share from legacy automakers or makers of internal combustion engines. And I think that's a sentiment that's kind of echoed here in this interview. I don't trade in and out of NIO. I hold this thing for exponential growth in the future. Yes, let's say that you can sell out of NIO and buy back in lower, but then you gotta worry about taxes. If you're consistently swing trading and you're doing it properly, obviously you're gonna make more than taxes, but I don't even have time for that. I don't want to take the risk. I'll just hold my shares and I'll be patient because I know that the next decade is full of growth. Next up, NIO's used car program. NIO launched their used car program a few days ago. So if you sold your car to NIO, you'll get 30,000 NIO points. If you sold your car previously to the launch of their used car program, that'll be backdated. You'll still get the 30,000 points, and that offer is gonna be valid till the end of 2021. NIO points can be used at NIO Homes or the NIO app as NIO ventures into e-commerce. And I actually kind of want to order some stuff off of the NIO app. NIO Certified comes with battery upgrades for up to 40% off, discounts for NIO Pilot, and discount for autonomous driving. Another thing about the NIO points, also there's a referral system. If you refer a friend, you're going to get 6,000 NIO points and that friend is going to get 6,000 NIO points. So why buy a used car from NIO, you ask? Well, you're getting a better deal cost-wise. So of course, EVs don't follow the same depreciation curve as ICE vehicles, but of course a used NIO vehicle is going to be a lot cheaper than a new NIO vehicle. And we already talked about the NIO points and all those other things that you're incentivized if you're shopping around for a used car to go and buy a used NIO, right? Also, you're getting transparency and accountability throughout the whole used car buying process. We've all heard the story about bad used car dealerships, but when you buy a used NIO, you're getting pretty much a new vehicle experience. They rigorously analyze, test, and refurbish every vehicle that goes through their used car system. So consumers get peace of mind, and of course the battery and body of the car are separated, so you're going to get a brand new battery whether you choose to lease that or buy that. But the most killer point here about the NIO Certified program is the warranty. You have 7 days to completely return the car, full refund, and then you have up to 30,000 kilometers of warranty or 1 year, whichever comes first. So that gives consumers the most peace of mind. The last thing I wanted to touch on here is the ET7. Photos of the ET7 have been surfacing around the internet. This car is highly anticipated and the car will be carrying NIO's 150 kilowatt hour battery pack. If this does happen, if everything comes through flush, NIO will make history on January 9th. This will be the biggest battery pack in a series production passenger car. So lots of things going on with NIO. I'm super excited for NIO Day this week. It's definitely a NIO week on this channel. I want to know what you guys think. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. I'll link the free Discord in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.